Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Exams are now around the corner. Are you ready to answer any questions on algebraic fractions? So we are going to divide this topic in series. In our today's lesson, we cover how to simplify the algebraic fractions. In the next video, we are going to cover how to divide and multiply the algebraic fractions. In the third video, we'll cover how to add and subtract the algebraic fractions, and then finally we'll solve the equations that involve the algebraic fractions. So we are going to revise this question first. It was examined in June 2017. Simplify m squared minus m minus 12 over m cubed minus 9m. So we need to factorize the numerator first. Here we are having m squared minus m minus 12. So we multiply m squared times minus 12 in order to get minus 12m squared. And then after that, we need to look for two factors of minus 12m squared, which when we add, we get minus m. So we are going to use minus 4m plus 3m. Because if we say minus 4 plus 3, we get minus m. And then minus 4 times 3, we get minus 12. So we now have m squared minus 4m plus 3m minus 12. And then after that, we factorize in pairs. For the first pair, we factor out the highest common factor, which is m. M squared divided by m, we get m. Minus 4m divided by m, we get minus 4. And then for the second pair, the highest common factor is 3. So we factor it out. 3m divided by 3, we get m. And then minus 12 divided by 3, we get minus 4. It means that we are now having m minus 4 times m plus 3. This is how we factorize the numerator. And then we need to factorize our denominator. It is saying m cubed minus 9m. So we factor out the highest common factor, which is m. And we are going to remain with m squared minus 9 inside the brackets. And m squared minus 9, this is a difference between two squares. It can be factorized further so that we have m minus 3 times m plus 3. So after we are done with the process of factorizing, we now need to rewrite our expression using the factorized forms. So we write that m minus 4 times m plus 3 all over m times m minus 3 times m plus 3. And then after that, we need to cancel the like terms. So m plus 3 in the numerator is going to cancel m plus 3 in the denominator, so that our final answer is going to be m minus 4 over m times m minus 3. So this is going to be our final answer. So that was all about how to simplify the question on algebraic fraction that was in June 2017. We can now proceed to the next question. We are going to cover this question on simplifying algebraic fraction. It was in November 2013. So first of all, we need to factorize our numerator. We are having x squared plus 3x plus 2. Here we are going to multiply x squared and 2 in order to get 2x squared. And we look for the factors of 2x squared, which when we add, we get 3x. We are going to use 2x plus 1x. So we need to rewrite 3x as 2x plus 1x. So we say x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. And then after that, we factorize in pairs. For the first pair, our highest common factor is x. We factor it out, and then we remain with x plus 2 inside the brackets. For the second bracket, the highest common factor is 1. We factor it out, and we remain with x plus 2 inside the brackets. So our final factorized form is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 1. And then our this denominator, it can't be factorized further, right? So we are now going to rewrite our expression. We say x plus 2 times x plus 1 over our denominator is x plus 2, right? So we say O over x plus 2. So this x plus 2 on the numerator is going to cancel this x plus 2 on the denominator, so that our final answer is going to be x plus 1. So this is how we get all the marks on this question that was in November 2013. Our final answer is going to be x plus 1. We can now proceed to the last question on how to simplify the algebraic fractions. So this was June 2013, question number 7. We were required to simplify x squared plus 7x plus 6 all over x squared minus 36. So we need to factorize our numerator. We are having x squared plus 7x plus 6. So we multiply 6 and x squared in order to get 6x squared. And then we look for the factors of 6x squared, which when we add, we get 7x. We are going to use 6x and 1x. So we write x squared plus 6x plus 1x plus 6. And then after that, we factorize in pairs. For the first pair, we factor out x. X squared divided by x, it is x. 6x divided by x, we get 6. And then here, highest common factor is 1. We factor it out. And then we remain with x plus 6 inside the brackets. So our final factorized form, it is going to be x plus 6 times x plus 1. Right? And then we need to factorize our denominator. We are having x squared minus 36. This is a difference between two squares. So it is going to be x plus 6 times x minus 6. And then after that, we need now to rewrite our expression. So when we are rewriting our expression, we say x plus 6 times x plus 1 all over x plus 6 times x minus 6. So this x plus 6 is going to cancel this x plus 6, so that our final answer is going to be x plus 1 bracket all over x minus 6. So this is how we simply simplify the algebraic fractions. So what is very important is for you to be able to factorize the denominator and the numerator, and then after that you cancel the like terms. So that was all about our first lesson on simplifying algebraic fractions. So tomorrow I will upload a video on how to divide and multiply the algebraic fractions. We are done for our today's lesson. Thank you so much for following me on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. If you want to join my revisions, which I run every day in the evening, you can contact me on 0776 824159. Thank you so much.